Hey creators! Ever dreamed of making money from your awesome YouTube videos? It's totally possible with Google AdSense. Imagine watching your favorite YouTubers and seeing ads pop up. Those ads help them earn money from their hard work. Now you can too. In this guide, we'll walk you through every step to link your YouTube channel to Google AdSense. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. We'll break it down into simple steps so you can start earning money from your amazing content. Ready to unlock the secrets of YouTube monetization? Let's dive in. Before you can start cashing in on your YouTube fame, there are some important steps you need to follow. There are a few essential requirements you need to meet to join the YouTube Partner Program. Think of it like joining an exclusive club where only the best get in. First, make sure your channel has at least 1,000 subscribers. This is a key milestone. That's a good sign that people love your content and are eager to see more. Next, you'll need at least 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. This is crucial. This shows that viewers are truly engaged with your videos and enjoy watching them. But wait, there's another way to qualify. If you create YouTube Shorts, those fun, short videos, you only need 10 million views in the last 90 days to qualify. That's right, 10 million views! Once you've hit these milestones, congrats, you're on your way to success. You're ready to apply for monetization. This is where the magic happens. Head over to your YouTube studio and look for the monetization tab. It's easy to find. It's time to make some money. Get ready to turn your passion into profit. Google AdSense is like your very own money-making machine for YouTube. It's where the magic happens. To get started, you'll need to create a free AdSense account. Just head over to the Google AdSense website and click on Get Started. When signing up, make sure you use the same email address that's linked to your YouTube channel. This is super important for connecting everything smoothly. Fill out all the required information accurately and accept the terms and conditions. Once you've created your AdSense account, it's time to link it to your YouTube channel. Don't worry, it's a piece of cake. Section 4. Connecting your YouTube and AdSense. Now it's time to link your AdSense account to your YouTube channel. This is a crucial step in monetizing your content and turning your passion into profit. This is how you'll actually start seeing those dollar signs. Imagine the thrill of earning money from your videos. Go back to your YouTube studio and navigate to the Monetization tab. This is where all the magic happens. You should see an option to link your AdSense account. This link is your gateway to monetization. Click on it and follow the simple on-screen instructions. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. You'll basically be confirming that you want to connect your YouTube channel to the AdSense account you just created. This step ensures that your earnings are properly tracked and credited. It's like introducing two best friends, your content and your earnings, working together seamlessly. Once you've successfully linked your accounts, you're almost there. The excitement of seeing your hard work pay off is just around the corner. Just a few more steps to go before you can start earning. Stay tuned for the final touches to complete your monetization setup. Section 5. The final steps to get paid. Before you start seeing those sweet ad revenue dollars rolling in, there are a few final steps to complete. These steps are crucial to ensure that your hard work pays off and that you get compensated for your content. Google AdSense needs to verify your identity and payment information. This is to ensure everything is legit and secure. They want to make sure that the person receiving the money is indeed you and not someone else. You'll likely be asked to provide some personal details such as your full name, address, and date of birth. These details are essential for verifying your identity and ensuring that payments are sent to the right person. You may also need to verify your phone number and submit a valid form of identification. This could be a driver's license, passport, or any other government-issued ID. Don't worry, this is all standard procedure. Once you've submitted all the necessary information, AdSense will review your application. This review process ensures that all your details are accurate and that there are no discrepancies. You might receive an email with further instructions or a PIN verification code to your physical address. This PIN code is another layer of security to confirm your identity. This helps ensure that you're a real person and not some internet bot. Once everything is verified, you can sit back and watch the ad revenue start to flow into your account. Section 6. Start earning today. Congratulations. You've successfully set up Google AdSense for your YouTube channel. You're now officially a YouTube monetization pro. Keep creating amazing content that engages your audience and watch as your hard work translates into actual earnings. Remember, consistency is key. The more high-quality videos you upload, the more opportunities you'll have to earn ad revenue. And don't forget to promote your channel and engage with your viewers to grow your subscriber base. If you enjoyed this step-by-step guide, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome YouTube tips and tricks. Let's make those monetization dreams a reality.